I'm back. Today we're making some stewed chicken. I haven't had this in a while actually, and I actually made this video on Monday and I was trying to put it out before Christmas, but your girl was tired, working, had to get some sleep, so I'm like, this had to wait. But yeah, now I washed it, and now I'm ready to season it with some Grace seasoning. My favorite seasoning to season meat with. If I don't have the one from Jamaica, then I'll use Grace. So yeah. Oh, I usually use, if I don't have browning, I use brown sugar. Like you burn the brown sugar in the oil, like you making curry, like the same thing how you do the curry. But yeah, I'm trying to cut down on the sugar anyway, so I had to make sure I had browning, because now it's time to mix it all in. After you do this, you're gonna let it marinate. Well, I let it marinate for like 10 minutes because, you know, I didn't want to let it marinate for long because I was hungry. I was ready to eat. So I let it marinate for like 10 minutes. The time is now 1:49. So we're gonna do that and then we come back. I'm gonna get my rice ready. See y'all in a bit. Now you add your oil. Once the oil is heat up, you just add the chicken in. You mix it and then you let it simmer. And it's gonna bring some water. And then you're just gonna let it cook until you add your own water to it. This is me testing the oil. So it's ready to go in. Gotta keep your heat on low. Make sure your heat is on low. For now, I should say. Gotta make sure your heat is on low for now. Then later on you could turn it up on medium. I don't remember what I was saying here. But I'm checking on my rice. There you go. It makes its own water, so you just gotta keep watching it, because I still didn't add no water yet. There's a little struggle right here, me holding the camera and trying to stir the pot, but I got it. Now you add your water. And then you're just gonna let it boil, you're just gonna let it cook. Let me get my broccoli ready. I'm gonna add some breadcrumbs to it later. I was saying, like, I have broccoli in the freezer, but like I went to the store and I saw that, so I couldn't like just not pick it up. It's like $1 for a good amount of broccoli, fresh broccoli at that, so I had to pick it up. I thought I was gonna splash on me, but it didn't. Checking on my rice because it's almost finished. My rice is ready. It's almost time to eat. Now 2:30 and it's still cooking. It's almost finished though. back when it's finished. Yeah, right here I had some breadcrumbs. I could turn it off soon. I did turn it off soon actually. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. Yeah, I didn't let it stay on long after I added the breadcrumbs because it don't need to stay on long. Like the chicken is cooked already. But yeah, this is the finishing product. Look at that. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.